Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games from one PC to another without having to re-download everything. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Library. This is where all your installed games are listed and where you'll start the backup process. Now, in the left panel where all your games are displayed, find the game you want to move to your new PC. Right-click on that game to open a context menu. From the options that appear, hover your mouse over Manage and then click on Backup Game Files. This feature allows you to create a portable copy of your game that you can transfer to another computer. A new window will pop up to configure your backup settings. Click on Browse to choose where you want to save the backup. This could be an external drive, a USB stick, or any folder that you can easily copy to your new PC later. Make sure the location you choose has enough free space to store the entire game. Once you've selected your destination, click Select Folder to confirm your choice. After setting your backup location, click Create Backup. Steam will now begin packaging your game files into a backup format. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so give it some time to complete. The backup will be saved in the location you specified, ready to be transferred to your new computer. Now, move that backup folder to your new PC using whatever method works best for you, whether that's copying it via an external drive, transferring over a network, or using a USB stick. Once the files are on your new PC, you're ready for the next step. On your new PC, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the upper left corner and click on Steam to open the main menu. From the drop-down options, select Restore Game Backup. This tells Steam that you want to install a game from a backup file rather than downloading it fresh from the internet. In the Restore window that appears, click Browse. Navigate to the folder containing your backup files that you transferred from your old PC. Once you've found the correct folder, click Select Folder to confirm. Steam will automatically detect the backup files and prepare them for installation. Finally, click Restore to begin the installation process. Steam will now extract and install the game from your backup files directly onto your new PC. This is much faster than downloading the entire game again, especially if you have a large library or slower internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Steam game from one PC to another using the backup and restore feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.